Hello and welcome to Quizify. In this video, we will explore how you can customize your branding and design for your Quizify forms. If you are on the Pro plan, you can customize design for each individual forms. But if you are in the Starter or Growth plan, you can do it through the global design setting. To access this, go to Quizify product quiz in your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, and then Design Settings. This opens the design page where you will find different sections to customize. Click on the intro page. Here you can upload your logo, select or upload custom fonts. You can customize your font sizes for desktop and mobile, adjust colors and upload background images, style your button to match your brand's color. Next, you can similarly style your quiz page just like the intro page. Apply custom fonts, change background colors or upload your custom images, adjust overlay transparency, choose background size like contain or cover. You can also customize your loader animation between slides. Options include spinner, refresh, or even your own custom GIF. Additionally, if you have sticky header on your site, you can enable this setting to correct the scrolling. You can also adjust the header height separately for desktop and mobile. You can also change the style and color of your progress bar and adjust the fonts, colors of your question and answer section. Once the users complete the quiz, they land on the result page. Here you can adjust the grid pattern, choose the number of products per column, or customize buttons, text, and layout. For quizzes without recommendation, you can design your thank you page with custom branding, colors, fonts, and background images, and personalize your thank you message. Finally, for the returning customers, the customer response widget displays their quiz result. You can style this section with the same branding and design options as the rest of your quiz. And that's it. With these design tools, you can make your forms look on brand, professional, and consistent. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.